everyone, Nate McGee here on this beautiful Wednesday, November 20th, 2013. This is, of course, the value charts video of the day here. And what I have pulled up is the Euro US dollar on a daily chart. And I wanted to show you something interesting here. We've been kind of tracking this over the last few weeks. We had this original trend line here a while ago across these lows that was broken through, and then we made these new lows, but then price have been steadily been moving up, and it has been retesting this trend line quite often. Had a few false breaks, but still been not really staying above it. It's been closing back below it when it can. Then I had a trend line here that I drew across these lows just in case we'll find a little bit of support down there as well. Then of course I have my zones here that I've drawn a while ago, and you can see prices right now are coming down to the zone here at the 33,995 area. What we had today was the FOMC meeting notes released, which caused a big flurry in the markets. All the currencies are all over the place, and I want to show you what this kind of looks like on a different time frame here. So usually when we do zones, we can look on a smaller time frame and see what's happening. So I'll pull up the 240-minute chart, and these are the zones that I have drawn here. You can see I had the zone, the 33995 zone, I think it was, on the daily chart. It's right in this area roughly, where that zone is at. But if you look on the 240, it's pretty interesting that we are finding a good bit of support here at the 3418 area, right across these lows here, across these highs. And this is what we've been tracking really. This is nice rising wedge, which is typically a reversal pattern, as a lot of you know. We did have a little false break here, and that's actually at the other zone where we have drawn the 35602. You can see prices shot through there for a little bit before they started rolling over. Then that announcement here just broke the euro way down. So I just want to show you how these zones kind of work really, and how to kind of manage trades a little bit. So we can expect the euro probably to continue to move on down here, but this sticking point right here is pretty significant. We're significantly undervalued as well, so we might see this have a little bit of retracement here. It should pull back up a little bit, maybe not, won't be too much, I wouldn't say. Maybe around the 3463 area, right along these lows here. That's where there's some resistance it'll be, because we have support back here, and right in this area is where we had a good bit of support. So we could see that possibly held up, and then we could see it continue to fall down here to this 33863 on the 240, or roughly 3399 area on the daily chart. If I go back over here, you can see it probably pushed through here. So that's just something to kind of help you out instead of hopping on the bandwagon maybe too early on some of these trades. You can see where it's going to be slowing down really based off two time frames. When you look at something on a larger time frame, you go down one time frame smaller and try to see if you can find a slowdown spot, and we're getting close to those areas on both sides. So expect it to slow down a little bit here. We do have a couple more announcements as well coming out on Thursday and Friday, so don't be surprised if we see this actually move all the way down past and come down this trend line here. But one of the reasons why it probably stopped right now is because there's a huge sell-off, but also because we are coming near these zones. So that's something to be aware of whenever you place your trades here. And that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see how these kind of play out over the next few days as well. Never miss another Value Charts trade. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more video of the day and trade of the day videos. Again, this is Nate McGee reminding you to trade smarter, not harder, and as always, trade with confidence.